So this is one mail that comes to us that says that this is the topic, this is economic times. Now we need is 2 lines from you. And then I called him, I said, sir, मतलब कुछ context तो दो ना. He said, I don't have the time for this. We took 24 hours to write those 2 lines. And they were published ad verbatim in the economic times. And I'm like, am I going to get paid for it? ऐसे do you take money from me? मुझसे तो नहीं मांग रहे. 2 line लिखने के लिए तुम किसी को क्या charge? Well, he connected with me on LinkedIn. He remembered Content Factory with a K. He figured me out. He messaged me and he says, I was your ex-client giver. I said, I do remember faintly. He says, now my daughter wants to be a content writer. Could you please guide her? Imagine this is 10 years and I was like, dude, okay, fast. हमने ठीक किया होगा. We did something.
This is content power 100%.
100%.
Did you ever use client testimonials in initial days?
Yes.
That, because I believe that is the one thing which is like very important when clients, it's very difficult for them to, have trust.
No, yeah,
Right.
because I think I still, after 8-9 years, would get a random call from an ex-client who say, "Are तुम अभी भी कुछ content का काम करती हो क्या?" So I'm like, we're far bigger and better than that. But आप बताओ आपको क्या काम है? So tell me something very, very small little something to do. And I was like, okay, so the trust and the relationships we have built with our clients even 10 years 11 years back, people do remember us and they still come back to us after 10 years and say, when I remember a gentleman called me after 10 years, he says, look, you did some work for us. We worked with him for Ayushi just about 6 months. हमने सिर्फ उनका content writing and कुछ digital का किया होगा, मुझे याद नहीं 10 साल पहले. He calls me finds me on LinkedIn, though my number's the same, he probably would have lost it or whatever. He connected with me on LinkedIn. He remembered Content Factory with a K. He figured me out. He messaged me and he says, I was your ex-client giver. I said, I do remember faintly. He says, now my daughter wants to be a content writer. Could you please guide her?
Oh.
Imagine this is 10 years and I was like, dude, okay, fast. हमने ठीक किया होगा. We did something.
This
right.
is content power 100%.
100% that. And then there was this gentleman, he is currently, he's going to kill me if he ever is. So he is with Indian Venture Cap Association and so then he was with NASCOM and randomly, and we left our work long time back. This gentleman is writing to me and saying, hey Ritika, मेरा ना economic times में quote चाहिए मुझे. So तुम लिख दोगी? So, and we haven't spoken to each other or know each other for 2-3 years now. Okay. So I said, yeah, sir, just send me all the details and this thing. So this is one mail that comes to us that says that this is the topic. This is economic times. Now we need is 2 lines from you. And then I called him. I said, sir, मतलब कुछ context तो दो ना. I mean, I'm not an expert like you are. I'm like a very, very, very senior position. He said, look, I don't have the time for this. Like, who's taking work? So then I called up my this freelancer in Pune. I said, Smita, ये काम करना है. So she was like, but Ritika ma'am, ये कैसे होगा? Ritika, how are we going to do this? I said, I don't know. We took 24 hours to write those 2 lines. And they were published ad verbatim in the economic times. And I'm like, she said, am I going to get paid for it? I said, you take money from me? मुझसे तो नहीं मांग रहे. 2 line लिखने के लिए तुम किसी को क्या charge करो? And this is people who come to you and say, there is no context, nothing, figure it out all on your own. I could have easily told him that, look, sorry, नहीं कर सकते. ये काम किसी और को दे दो. But then this is how I think that's the spirit of that काम एक बारी challenge है, करके तो दिखते हैं kind of a thing. So
that's how you learn, of course.
That's how you learn. And I think, see, for businesses, a lot of people don't understand this part. And that when you're building a business, right, the relationships and the kind of flavor you leave with your clients is something which we don't think about. 2 minute में लड़ाई भी कर लेंगे, 2 minute में झगड़ा भी कर लेंगे, 2 minute में हम सब कुछ कर लेते हैं, and it's very, very transactional. I just tell all businesses that if you are the face of your business, like smaller companies like us, which are run on one person, like the first 5 years, it was just Ritika, everybody knew. Nobody knew my team or anybody, right? When things like that happen, I think it's a great idea to think long term because brands are not made overnight.
Yeah.
It takes time, it takes relationships. I said at the end of, let's say, 10 years, I don't want anybody ever to get up and say, कि वो Content Factory ने हमारा काम किया बट काम नहीं किया बट पैसे ले लिए. So things on integrity,
Yeah.
things on relationships, that ठीक है, sometimes you let go, sometimes you will have to oblige a lot of people, do a lot of free का काम, volunteer in so many communities, but think long term, think 10 years, think 20 years, think 30 years. I mean, that's the kind of legacy you want to leave behind. Not that some company came and वो बस अपना काम करते और चले गए. You build relationships. Even people I'm not working with, some of them my clients are like literally my best friends. Till date, मतलब
Yeah.
we still talk to each other. वो कब काम खत्म हो गया 7-8 साल पहले, nobody even knows what we did, but they will still call me randomly and say, अच्छा ये बताना, ये करना चाहिए हमें कि नहीं करना चाहिए. And I just feel that there is no transactional, there's no money, there are no commercials, but it's just a great place to begin when people seek you out for your
Expertise.
your expertise on certain things, but even if they're not working with them anymore, and you're still able to tell them, oh, this is what you should do for your business. And I think that's an amazing superpower for any brand. I'm not saying person, I'm not saying business, but that's how you build a brand.
Very true. Seriously.